students, today in this session I am going to discuss knock in CI engine. Okay, knock in CI engine. It is similar to detonation in SI engine that we have already discussed. Now CI engine combustion stages, if you see the combustion stages, this knock is related with this one only. So let us see, this is P and this is angle theta, crank angle theta. So this one was A, B, C, D, E and F. Okay, AB physical delay, BC chemical delay. So AC was delay period. Okay, so delay period, and CD was it is uncontrolled combustion, and D to E controlled combustion. Okay, and E to F after burning. Okay, so after burning. So now see, these stages we have already discussed in the last class. Now what happens? A spark point is this one, fuel ignition point is A, but there will be pressure down up to point B, and from B to C pressure increases. So from point A to C, that is called delay period. So during A to C, fuel is accumulated and during C to D, fuel is burnt. Okay, now during this A to C, lots of fuel, huge fuel is accumulated. Okay, because this delay period going to be very long. So this delay period, due to this delay period is long, lot of fuel, huge fuel is going to be accumulated, and if this accumulated fuel is ignited, then there will be high pressure in the combustion chamber. Okay, so this high pressure is not equalizes throughout combustion chamber, then there will be a blow on the cylinder walls. This is called knock in CI engine. Okay, and this is also harmful effect. This will give a blow, severe pressure on the cylinder walls, due to which there may be so many problems. Okay, so that ill effect of knock in CI engine will be similar to detonation in SI engine that we have already discussed in the previous classes. There may be, if this pressure equalization is not normal throughout the combustion chamber, then it will have the severe pressure blow on the cylinder walls. So there may be cylinder failures, that means engine failures, maybe piston and piston rings failure, spark plug burning, overall efficiency of all those parts that is combustion chamber may be reduced. They are called ill effects. Okay, so knock in CI engine is similar to detonation in SI engine. So knock means knocking. Okay, remember knock is in CI engine and detonation in SI engine. So this can be explained, this knock can be explained by the help of P theta diagram that we have already discussed. During A to C, see here, this is delay period, and delay period lot of fuel is being accumulated, and if this all huge amount of fuel is burnt at point C, then there will be lot of combustion, due to which there will be sharp increase in pressure, which gives the direct blow on the cylinder walls. If it is not equalizes throughout the combustion chamber, there will be pinching sound or throttling sound. That sound is heard, and that pressure movement will be equal to the velocity of sound, and if it is not equalizes throughout the combustion chamber, then it will give a direct blow on the cylinder wall. This process is known as knock in CI engines. Okay, see what I have written here. During A to C, fuel is accumulated, and during C to D, fuel is burned. During AC, huge fuel is accumulated. If this accumulated fuel is ignited, then there will be high pressure in combustion chamber. High pressure is not equalizes throughout the combustion chamber. We can add up this one. If high pressure is not equalizes throughout the combustion chamber, then there will be a blow on the cylinder walls. This is called knock in CI engine. Okay, so this is harmful effect. There should be less knock in CI engine. Okay, so what are the factors affecting the knock in CI engine? It depends upon, totally depends upon the delay period. Okay, it depends upon the delay period. So delay period should be as short as possible. Should be as short as possible. Should be as short as possible. Because if delay period is less, so less fuel will be accumulated inside the combustion chamber, and if the less fuel is accumulated, so less energy, less pressure, less temperature rise will be inside the cylinder. So knock problem will be less. So main objective to reduce the knock in CI engine is to reduce the delay period. See, delay period is the main factors. Okay, so delay period is the main factor. It should be short as possible. And what are the factors or variables affecting the delay period? Okay, so if we can reduce delay period, that means knock in CI engine can be reduced. Those variables which will affect the knock in CI engine we will discuss in next class. Thank you.